Hey everyone, it's Matt. You're watching Rap Bars Forget Cars. This is my first video to post on YouTube, so don't be too harsh on me in the comments. Well, let's get straight to the video right away. We're going to do a bike check. First up, we have my 17 Teeth EVO. This is my track bike that I never take to the track. It's running a 46-16 gear ratio. Upgraded the wheels to Conquer All. Carbon fork, front brake only, TRP brakes. Like I said, I don't take it to the track. Really the only thing original to this bike is that seat post, the carbon fork. Well, that's about it really. I've upgraded everything else. Next we have the 96 Kona Cinder cone. This has had a drop bar gravel bike conversion. It's running Microshift Advent 9-speed. Brooks saddle, of course. It's that Advent. Kona Project 2 fork. Tektro brakes. I love these Maxxis tires. Overall, it's been a great bike. However, as you can see by how much seat post is sticking out, it's a bit too small for me. So this is the donor bike for the Cannondale M400 project coming up. Okay, now this was my first project ever back in 2016. This is a 1976 Peugeot UO8. I converted it to single speed with a freewheel. Brooks Swallow saddle. It's our Orange 8 mudguards. Some leather grips, little integrated bell there. Battery powered front headlight. And front brake. Okay, next up is the 1986 Pinarello Treviso. I built this one up with 11-speed Campy Chorus. So it's got a lot of carbon fiber goodies on it. Carbon cranks. Some Dura-Ace pedals. This is a Columbus SL frame. Got a mutant stem, very popular in the 90s. And of course, a little Italian flag in case you forget it's Italian. Wheels are Mavic. Now this is one that's very special to me. This is a 1998 Gary Fisher Joshua XO. And it was my very first bike that I ever bought working in a bike shop. So my first decent bike ever. And the interesting thing about this is I sold it to a friend of mine who then 20-something years later gave it back to me. So hell of a guy, Jay. See, it's got a lockout on the rear shock. It's LX 9-speed XT rear derailleur. This is all original equipment. It's even got one of those 90s Kona saddles on it. A little custom top cap. But yeah, very happy to get this back. Right now this is the bike that my son rides, and he's loving it. Now this is, of course, the Cannondale M400 frame that's going to get all the parts off of the Kona. It's in 1994. That was the only year they had these dropouts without a wishbone rear stay. Anyway, not much to say about that. All right, last but not least, we've got a mid-70s Rafael Geminiani. This guy was actually a teammate of Fausto Coppi. I've had his bike built up a couple of times, and I always seem to rob parts off of it for the Peugeot. But I think this time I'm going to strip it down, give it a custom paint job, and build it back up. So keep an eye out for that. Well, I hope you've had fun seeing my current stable of bikes. Hopefully we'll have some better content in the future. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And we'll see you in the next video.